walk. I only live like all the way over there by the First State Bank.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, we walk that way.
Oh.
Close to there. And yeah, so Bohemian.
You know where the horses stables are? And then it's on the gravel road. And it's just right behind my house. And it's right next to the bird.
So we'll probably pass it if I'm we'll connect it in.
You're falling.
Okay.
Dude, look at
Come on. 5 more feet.
2, 3, 1. You're up.
2, 3, 1. What? Say hi.
What the fuck is up, dude?
Nice. You know you got mo.
Oh, I don't give a shit. I can always go back to it. Oh.